Hello and welcome to this Checkmate in 2 from 1878. The Black King is fairly well surrounded with the Queen and the two knights, and you can do a reveal check to let the bishop attack the king. It's White's turn. Can you see the checkmate in 2? Moving your knight to e2 is a checkmate in 3, not 2. Black can take your pawn, you can take the rook back with your bishop checking the king, but the king has an escape square. Then you can move your knight to d5 to just checkmate in 3. Moving your queen to c4 won't get you a mate in 2 unless the black king moves to e3, because then you can move into checkmate in 2 with the knight. Instead, the king can take your pawn on e5, and you can check with your knight, but the king has an escape square. But then you can do a quite nice mate in 3 by advancing your pawn. Moving your knight to c5 forces the king up to e5 because of the reveal check with the bishop. You can then do another reveal check by moving your knight to f4. If the king moves up to f6, you can just mate in 3 with your rook. Or if the king moves to d6, you can mate in 3 with the queen. Taking the knight with your rook isn't a mate in 2 unless the black king takes your knight, because then you can checkmate in 2 with the queen. Instead, black can take the rook with their bishop. Now you can try and check with the queen, but the king has an escape square and can also take the knight. Then you can move in for just the mate in 3. Okay, let's have a look at the solution to this one. So pause the video if you need some more time. To get the checkmate in 2 for white, you need to move your queen to a6. The black king moves to e5, you can then move your knight to d7 to checkmate in 2. If black moves the king to c5, you can then move your knight to d5 to checkmate in 2. If black decides to move their king to c3, you can still move your knight to d5. And if the black king moves to e3, you can again move your knight to d5 to do the checkmate. If black moves their knight that's on f5, you can again just move your knight to d5 to do the reveal checkmate with the bishop. And if black takes your knight with their rook, you can move your knight to c4 to checkmate in 2. Okay, that's the end of this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.